Okay, we have this Dell from another tech, and no idea what the issue is. Let's see if we can diagnose the fault and give a quote. Okay, so we got a charger, plug it in, no problem. So DC 19 volt before the MOSFETs are fine. This is one of the latest models, so I'm surprised it's here. It shouldn't be here. Okay, let's plug that back in. What is the voltage? Okay, why don't we get screen? Okay. So battery has charged, which is good. So that means PCH most likely is fine. Okay, so let's press the power button. We got keyboard backlight. Caps lock light is fully on. Okay. Two yellow, three white. Two yellow, three white. Dell. Two amber, three white. Dell. So it's complaining the RAM is not detected. Okay. Apparently. Okay, same error. Now put the other RAM back in. This time a different slot. Battery reinserted. Same. Okay, now let's try the other slot. Make sure it's fully off. finally. Same. Which slot we use and which RAM we use, we get the same diagnostic. It's probably false. $1.14 volts. What's the DDR5 voltage? $1.1. So that's the RAM voltage. Model suffers from a RAM slot failure like HP's did a while back, which I doubt, but you never know. Just quickly check the pins. No, they seem pretty good. Let's try again, but this time we press down on the RAM slot and then turn it on. Press down really hard. Same. It is currently on, but no post. Wow, it's literally not getting any power. Okay, we'll give the customer a quote, see what they want to do before we proceed. Belongs to a tech who has to talk to the customer, etc., and we'll go from there. If they continue, we'll have a second part. Otherwise, that will be it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.